Hello friends and welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to talk about HTML. So without any further ado, let's get into our video. So today we'll be learning about HTML. So this is just an introductory video, just kind of a brief information about HTML. So let's go ahead and learn about HTML. So basically HTML is nothing but it is used to create websites. I think so you people know what is a website. For the people who don't know what is a website is a collection of web pages about a particular topic. So this language HTML helps us to create various web pages. Other languages like CSS, they help us to style the web page, like add more effects, like styling the web page, making it more attractive. Like that it helps us. So let's go ahead and see what is in the next page. Now this page is all about who found HTML. The first person who found this HTML was Tim Berners-Lee in 1993. This was first made with the intention of sharing information to others. Now we have several versions of HTML like XHTML, HTML 4.0, HTML5, like that there are different versions. So let's get into the next page. Now let's go ahead and learn about the different parts of HTML. First, let's see the parts first and then get into the brief explanation. So the first one is known as HTML tags. The second one is known as HTML elements. And the third one is known as HTML attributes. So let's go ahead and learn about all these three parts. Now coming on to the first one, HTML tags. HTML tags are like keywords which distinguishes between and simple content and an HTML content. These HTML tags are the most important part in HTML. So there are mainly two parts, an opening tag and then closing tag. Or here can you see an opening tag is in sky blue color. So or here whichever these two are here, right? So these two are an opening tag and this is little dark blue like that. So these two over here are known as closing tags. So over here can you see I'm showing you where my cursor is. Over here this is written as HTML, which means it is the name of the tag. It is the name of the tag. So now you have these two are known as angular brackets. So these two are known as angular brackets. You can find them in your keyboard at the last row of alphabets next to the M letter. You'll find this angular bracket symbol. So you have to press the shift button and press this angular bracket key so that you'll get the angular bracket in your screen. And this one is a closing tag of HTML. So this slash is representing the closing tag. So if you take off this slash, it will exactly look like the normal opening tag. So this slash is the difference between an opening tag and an closing tag. And now coming on to the second example, head. Head is the name of the tag. Over here you have angular brackets, and for the closing tag also we have slash. And there are different types of tags in HTML which we use. So I will show them in my future videos also. So let's go to the next page. Now coming on to HTML element. HTML element is nothing but the opening tag and the closing tag and the content, the text, whatever the information inside it together is known as HTML element. So the opening tag and the closing tag and the content inside it is known as HTML element. Over here I have shown you an example. So this body is the name of a tag and so these two are angular brackets. Or here some text, whatever text or whatever information you have to about your website or about the topic, whatever information should be there, it should be over here. So some text, whatever text it is, you can write over here, and this is the closing tag. So these three parts together is known as HTML element. So let's go ahead and learn about HTML attributes. These attributes helps us to add more styles, changing font, changing the background size or background color, background image, or adding some text effects, or making the text more attractive, or making the page more attractive. Like that we can do with this HTML attribute. So now coming on to the example body. This is a tag I've shown you right in the previous page, and this, what is this in the yellow color? This is written as background color red. So background color red it is like one function which you type, and if you see the result in the page, you will see that your background color will be red. Like that it helps us. Like that we can do many things with this HTML attribute. So let's go ahead and see what are the next things about HTML. Now let's go ahead and learn about how does this HTML work. Now coming on to the explanation of HTML, we have to write some code in the text editor and save it as some name, whatever the file name you want to keep, and .html. .html is an extension for HTML files. So for PowerPoint presentations also, right, we see that the .pptx after the file name. So that is an extension for PowerPoint files, and this .html is an extension for HTML files. So coming on to the second point, then after saving, when you double click on that file, it will show you the result in the default web browser automatically. So when you double click on that file, whichever you have done, so it will show you the result in the default web browser. Default web browser is nothing but the browser which will be in default, and you can change it into Google Chrome or whatever web browser you want, like that. So it will only show you in default web browser. So let's go ahead and see what are the other things of HTML. Now let's see what are the text editors for HTML. So there are 4 text editors on the screen: Sublime Text 3D, Notepad, Atom, and Visual Studio Code. These 4 are the best, and I've used these 4 applications also. So Notepad, it will be installed defaultly in your laptop or system. So next, Sublime Text 3D, Atom, and Visual Studio Code. We have to download it from Google Chrome, and now I'm using Visual Studio Code actually for my coding, and it makes it more easy for me. I will tell you which text editor shall we use for the future videos. So let's go ahead and see the next page. What is this? Why is this everything blank? Shit, I had to do it from first again. Oh no, why? Just kidding, friends. See, so that's it for this video, friends. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, drop a big thumbs up on this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out any of my videos. So that's it for this video, friends. Bye bye. So That's it for this video, friends. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to this channel. And bye bye. See you at next time.